If you've knocked a small hole in the wall, removed anchors or screws, or are dealing with cracking, fixing the problem is only a repair kit away. Drywall repair kits are inexpensive and, for small holes, reasonably easy to use, so even if you're inexperienced with home improvement projects, you can probably still patch a hole. Here are the best drywall repair kits, according to your needs. Number 1. 3M High Strength Small Hole Repair Kit. This is an effective little kit for repairing holes up to the size of one produced by a doorknob. Since you're only working on the surface of the wall, the condition of the back side of the wall doesn't matter. Per the kit's instructions, we lightly sanded around the edge of the hole with a sponge first, then applied the screen over the hole and vertically spread the first layer of repair compound over the hole. The compound spreads easily, and the knife works reasonably well, despite its small size. To make a smoother repair, we made a second pass using a little more compound and moving the knife at approximately a 45-degree angle to the first pass. At this point, we let the first coat dry. The first pass with the compound provided and the small plastic knife included will produce enough of a layer that you can sand the patched area smooth. However, to blend it in with the surrounding area you'll need a minimum of a 6-inch or an 8-inch knife. You'll also need more repair compound than comes with the kit. The spackling compound is easy to sand, and the sanding pad will ensure that you've got a nice and smooth surface. Number 2, Red Devil 0549 Lightweight Patchawall Kit. Our next item on this list is a quality product from Red Devil. This brand has been committed to meeting users' requirements with its wide range of long-lasting and reliable DIY tools since 1872. Unsurprisingly, the 0549 Patchawall Kit is a true testament to the brand's quality that will help consumers repair walls without any difficulty. This product from Red Devil exceeds our expectations in pretty much all aspects. To begin with, you can spread it effortlessly using the plastic putty knife to achieve a smooth and elegant finish. Plus, unlike other options, it requires only one application to create a permanent repair that won't crack or shrink with time. Now, you can apply it on both interior and exterior surfaces, making it a highly versatile choice. The patch measures 6x6 and adheres quite well to the surface, thereby delivering outstanding output. Other than that, one of the standout attributes of this product is that it dries quickly and saves a lot of time. In addition, this drywall patch kit is available at an affordable price and features easy-to-follow instructions, which is great for first-time users. Number 3, 3M FPP Compound Large Hole Repair Kit. When it comes to drywall patch kits, 3M is undoubtedly one of the best brands in the business, with the integration of highly adhesive spackling compounds. The 3M FPP KIT is a top-grade option that is easy to apply and delivers satisfying results. As a product from one of the leading brands for drywall patch kits, it does a decent job for most parts. Made for holes as large as 5 in diameter, it repairs them 5 times faster than most other vinyl spackling on the market. Apart from drywalls, this product can be applied to plaster walls, wood, stucco, and concrete. It contains a putty knife, repair plate, tape, and a sanding sponge to help make your work hassle-free. Plus, it is easy to sand, thanks to its top-quality spackling compound. On top of that, we appreciate the fact that the compound doesn't shrink, sag, or crack despite changes in temperature. Also, you would be pleased to know that you can customize the repair plate by cutting it to the desired size. However, it may not be the perfect option for those who want to use it on stress cracks or structural joints. Number 4, Gadgetly Drywall Patch Repair Kit. We are halfway through our guide, and now it is time to talk about this drywall patch repair kit from Gadgetly. It is a relatively new entrant to the market, containing eco-friendly ingredients which makes it a suitable option for repairing holes, dents, and scratches on walls. Firstly, this product works on a broad spectrum of interior and exterior surfaces, including windows, cabinets, doors, and walls. It does an exceptional job at repairing dents, scratches, chips, and holes, thereby delivering a smooth finish. Not to mention that it is eco-friendly, which makes it safe for both people and pets. Now, it is highly adhesive and repairs most damages in no time to restore the walls to their former condition. Moreover, it comes with all the accessories that users might need, including sanding paper, rubber gloves, scraper, nozzle extender, and wall repair paste. We were also happy with the fact that it is odorless, which complements its highly durable and water-resistant nature. Plus, thanks to its affordable price tag, this product from Gadgetly is an outstanding addition to our list. Number 5, Fawong Wall Repair Patch Kit. What if the walls have not only nail holes, but cracks, blistering, or peeling spots? The Fawon Wall Repair Patch Kit can handle just about any situation. While most drywall patch kits are designed specifically to fix holes, this kit handles almost any drywall issue that needs repairing. The drywall tape and putty help fill and cover holes, while the spackling paste makes them disappear after sanding. The paste is waterproof and won't shrink or crack after use. This kit provides all the essential parts to easily repair holes or settling cracks in your drywall, noted a customer. I am preparing my house to sell, so I used this set to repair several settling cracks and holes. I worried this kit would not have enough material to do what I needed, but it did. This is an excellent set. The materials are high quality, and if bought individually, it would cost much more.